Hello Internet, this is Suzix, and today we are going to be learning, I'm going to actually be teaching you people how to code a soundboard on Scratch. The funny thing about Scratch is, oh wait, I kind of needed that page to show you examples. The funny thing about Scratch is that it doesn't use traditional line coding or script code like JavaScript or Python or C++. What this uses is a special type of coding, and I will show you in a second what I mean by that. I'm going to show you this one because this is the first one where I found out about this dude, this amazing dude over here. And if you want, you can sign up for Scratch, come over to this page and just username, and then you can follow him. That'd be very great. He's amazing. This dude's amazing. He does so much. I love him. And basically what a soundboard is a way, it's like a menu, and you choose a song. Like this one. There it goes. So basically we have the name of the song over here, which is amazing. What I'm doing right now is super cool. And basically it tells us what the name of the song is, and it says that it's now playing and what number of the track it is. Over here we have the giant list of stuff plus the cursor, which is currently on number 8, which is over here as well, and the name of the song. I am terrible with this pen. So basically what a soundboard is it's a menu that you can use to listen to a bunch of songs from, like, say, a soundtrack from a specific game, or multiple songs from pop culture, whatever. Regardless, it is still pretty good. And we look inside, and the thing about Scratch coding is that it uses block coding instead of the traditional JavaScript, C++, whatnot. Now, funny thing though, this is actually some pretty amazing block code stuff. I mean, we're going to be looking in this field right here for a minute. I'm going to teach you about all the different parts and all the different categories that these blocks can appear in. Now, before I do that, I'm going to erase all this just so that way it makes it easier for you to see. So basically what we have is a project that has a bunch of code. Well, what's the code for? Well, essentially we have our events, which tell us these different aspects, like this is an event. When this is clicked, then whatever happens with this, like this one, just tells us what happens when that thing happens. Like when key space pressed, we're going to play sound death effect. See? The only reason why I just pressed space and then that happened was because it's the Tamaku thing, and then when that thing over there gets hit, then when that thing gets hit by those, then this increases and this sound plays. Alright? And basically, that's how I'm going to teach you about whatnot. Actually, I think it would be better if we go to create. It's still recording. Yep. Snaps content is being shared. That's a new thing. Okay, so in order to have a soundboard, first we have to delete this sprite. And then from now we are going to recording a background tab. Screencastify is recording a background, recording a tab in the background. Use the extension icon to switch for record focus to your current tab. You can also use the shortcut Hold Shift F. Okay. So I just fixed that part because I've switched tabs. And this is my first time screen recording and audio recording. Personally, for now, I'm going to use just a bunch of random songs because they're some of my favorite songs. I love Hilltop Zone from Sonic 2. I'll get more into Sonic on another video. I personally normally use ytmp3.cc to get mp3 files. Recently, however, and this is the extremely confusing thing, I've been getting these weird notifications from this, what I think is this site, and it's like a bunch of, oh hey, hook up with this person thing, or hey, this game is so real, it's for men. It's like this game is so real for men that it's so real. Like, I don't want any of that, so I recommend that you use this for MP3, but on occasion, in block notifications, because I clicked allow, and I do regret that. I think that's why, because I clicked on notifications. So don't click on the notifications for this if you use this site. Otherwise, it's pretty good. I also found out about Deltarune, and I love Deltarune, and I love Undertale. I love Undertale. I was actually playing it on my phone a couple days ago, or actually yesterday, and because that was my first time playing Undertale, at least for the very first time, but I've known about Undertale and looked a lot at it and stuff, a lot about it. I'm stuck on Waterfall, but I love Deltarune specifically for 2, 3, maybe 4 things. First one being freaking Ralsei. He's my favorite character in the whole game. He's freaking adorable. Yes, she is. Oh, yes, she is. And 2 songs. So that's 3. 3 things I love about Deltarune the most. Ralsei, this song, which I'll be using. Love it so much. Alright, well, I'm starting to run out of time. I'll see you all in the next video when I actually find out which songs I'm going to be using. So, I'll see you all later. And this is Susik signing off for the first time of his voice recording, whatnot. Give me a second to... Never mind.